Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Reddit application. So first of all, of course, if you don't have Reddit on your phone, you'd like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you'd like to go and sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Reddit application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, of course, that will be actually first of all your main screen here. Of course, you will find here the post that you actually interested on, maybe, or the posts of the pages that you actually joined. That's not interested in this video. We would like, if you want to delete our account, to go to our icon at the top right corner. So if we click on that, we can actually click on it or scroll from left to right. It will do the same for us. So if I scroll or if I click, it will be the same. Here, I would like to go and click at the settings option. And as you can see here, that will actually appear to me, which is the settings. So after navigating to your settings, you'd like to scroll down until you find this help center. So just go and click on that. Then here you'd like to go and click at search our knowledge base, and here you would like to type deactivate deactivate. So then hit the search button. Sorry, I didn't write it like correctly, I guess, or it's actually right. So if you didn't find anything there, you would like to go and click how do I delete, just then add 1A, then click add this how do I delete my account. So as you can see here, how do I delete my account, you would like to scroll down here. So here they will tell you that deleting your account doesn't delete any posts or comments you've made, or you would like to delete your posts before you delete your account. You would like to remove, click add this, and you will actually delete your posts and comments. So if you are Reddit's premium member, you can delete your account, or you're deleting your account when cancel your subscription. So make sure to cancel the subscriptions from here as well, of course. And if you want to confirm the delete of your account, you'll need to enter your Reddit password. So if you receive an error while trying to delete your account, double check to make sure you entered your password correctly. So if you're still running into deleting errors, you can just go and click on that, and Reddit administrator can delete an account on your behalf. So on reddit.com, of course, if you want to delete an account, we can't actually delete it on the Reddit application. So we would like to go and click at visit this delete. So if we click on the delete, which was on it was on orange, there it will take us into this. Here we would like to type our username, and here I'll just enter my password, and I'm coming back to you. So as you can see here, after entering my informations, we're sorry to see you go. So once you delete your account, your profile and username are permanently removed from your Reddit, and your posts and comments are and your posts, comments, and messages are dissociated but not deleted from your account. Of course, you can just tell them why you would like to delete your account, so you can help improving Reddit. And you would like to here verify your identity by entering your username again and your password again. Then check this button, which is confirmation. I understand that delete accounts are not recoverable. Then I would like to hit the delete account option. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.